Let's learn some stuff about being fast, or fast itself. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, I have for you SÜRET. SÜRET. SÜRET is speed, velocity, or pace. Let's explore some phrases, and then we'll be exploring some sentences. Let's see. Phrases first. Sürət artırmaq, to increase speed. Artırmaq, to increase. Sabit SÜRət, constant velocity. Sabit is not changing, basically, hence the constant. Sürət yığmaq. Yığmaq is pick up, gather, pick up the pace. Sürət yığmaq. Let's use some of these in some sentences, okay? First one. Yeni proqram təminatı sayəsində şəbəkənin sürəti və etibarlılığı sabit qaldı. Elə ki, pik saatlarda belə gecikmələr hiss olunmadı. Okay, let me translate this first. Thanks to the new software, the network's speed and reliability remained stable. So delays were not felt even during peak hours. Now, see the peak saatlarda, that's the loan word, peak. Yeni proqram təminatı, that's the software. Sayəsində, thanks to it. Şəbəkə is the network. Etibarlılıq, reliability. Sabit qaldı, remained stable. Elə ki, peak saatlarda belə, even during peak hours. Gecikmələr, that's delays. Hiss olunmadı, were not felt. Now, yeni proqram təminatı sayəsində, thanks to the new software, şəbəkənin sürəti və etibarlılığı sabit qaldı. The network's speed and reliability remained stable. Elə ki, so that, basically. Peak saatlarda belə gecikmələr hiss olunmadı. Delays were not felt even during peak hours. Right? Another one. Marafonun son kilometrində o, finish xəttinə vaxtında çatmaq üçün tam sürətlə qaçmağa məcbur qaldı və nəfəsini düzgün bölüşdürdü. Let's see. Sport lovers. In the last kilometer of the marathon, he or she had to run at full speed to reach the finish line on time and managed his or her breathing properly. Let's see. Marathon, a loan word, marathon. Kilometer, again. Son, last. We already know O can mean he, she, it. That's why I have two versions for you here. Finish xətti, finish line, xət, line, finish, that's the loan word. Vaxtında çatmaq üçün, to reach on time. Tam sürət, full speed. Tam sürətlə with full speed or at full speed. Qaçmağa məcbur qaldı, had to run. Məcbur qalmaq, to be obliged, to have to do something, basically. Nəfəsini, breathing. Düzgün, properly, the right way. Bölüşdürdü. Bölüşdürdü, technically, the literal translation means to share, basically. But then in this case, what do you do with your breathing? You manage it properly. Now, marafonun son kilometrində, in the last kilometer of the marathon, o, he or she, finish xəttinə vaxtında çatmaq üçün, to reach the finish line on time, tam sürətlə qaçmağa məcbur qaldı, had to run at full speed, və nəfəsini düzgün bölüşdürdü, and managed the breathing properly. Cool. That was my way of using the word SÜRET, and I also have some other way of using it. I type at SÜRET. Autocorrect panics. Okay. MasterAzerbaijani.com is there for you 7/24 if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, about the language, cultural aspects of it, some tips and tricks of learning. I even have an alphabet there that can help you. You can download it in your poster, whatever you want to do with it. It's there for you. And Master Azerbaijani app, again, it starts teaching you from the alphabet, from the grammars, from the structure of the word, all the way to building your own sentences in a much more structured and detailed way. Otherwise, if you're happy learning one word a day, I'm here for you. Come back tomorrow. Cheers.